Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Hitman 3 black screen problem. So if you are facing the black screen issue in Hitman 3 on Windows 10 and 11 PC, I will tell you how to fix it. Before I start, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video, follow the steps and learn it.